Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
To kick things off, let's talk about getting the most out of your laptop's performance. First, make sure to close any applications running in the background that you don't need, as they can consume valuable system resources. Regularly updating your graphics drivers is also crucial for ensuring your games run smoothly and efficiently. Don't forget to tweak your in-game graphics settings to find that sweet spot between visual fidelity and a high frame rate. Finally, always play with your laptop plugged in and set to its high-performance power mode for maximum power delivery. Next up, let's consider some essential hardware tips that can significantly enhance your gaming experience. An external cooling pad is a fantastic investment to keep your laptop from overheating during those intense, long gaming sessions. For a more immersive view, think about connecting an external monitor, which often offers a larger display and higher refresh rates. A good gaming mouse and keyboard will also provide much better precision and comfort. And remember, having at least 16 gigabytes of RAM is ideal for today's demanding games. Now, let's dive into network and storage solutions to keep your gameplay smooth and responsive. For the most stable and fastest internet connection, always opt for an Ethernet cable over Wi-Fi. Regularly clearing out old game files and applications will free up valuable storage space, which is always a good idea. Installing your games on a solid-state drive, or SSD, will drastically reduce loading times, getting you into the action much quicker. You can also optimize your router settings to prioritize gaming traffic, ensuring a smoother online experience. Finally, let's talk about ergonomics and maintenance for a comfortable and long-lasting gaming setup. Maintaining good posture is key to avoiding discomfort during those extended gaming sessions. Regularly cleaning your laptop's fans and vents is crucial to prevent dust buildup, which can hinder performance. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps every 60 minutes, to rest your eyes and stretch your body. And always keep your operating system updated. This ensures you have the latest security patches and performance enhancements, keeping your laptop running at its best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.